In my last video, I showed you how to use Gamma app for beginners. Now I'm going to show you something even more powerful. The exact prompts you can copy and paste into Gamma to create high quality content in minutes. So if you're a content creator, a coach, a freelancer, or you're just building a digital brand, this will save you hours. So without wasting much time, let's continue. First of all, you have to go to gamma.app. Search it on Google and it's going to take you to the website. When you get to this website, you click on generate new. If you're a new member, you need to create an account first. And if you have not watched the beginner's video of how to use this very website, try and watch that video so that you will not be lost when we are doing what we're doing in this video. But if you have created your account, you already know that here is your home page. So next thing you do is you go to create new. Most people, when they open Gamma, they don't even know what to type. They don't have a prompt on their mind. You have to remember that the quality of your output depends on the quality of the prompt you put in. And for that reason, I've created these 5 powerful prompts that works extremely well. And I just really wish you would try it. The first prompt is something that can help you create viral social media carousels. You can use them for Instagram, for Facebook, and even for LinkedIn. So here's the prompt. You just type or copy and paste, because I'll leave every of these prompts in the description of this video. The prompt says, create a higher engagement social media carousel on a particular topic, which is in brackets. Start with a strong hook. Use short, punchy sentences. Include practical examples. End with a call to action. Make it suitable for Instagram or Facebook slides. This is the prompt, okay? This prompt is perfect for creating carousels that educate and convert. So you can replace the topic with things like how to grow on YouTube, AI tools for small businesses, productivity hacks. Okay, remember that short sentences perform better in carousel formats, so make them short. All right, so type this prompt and generate. You're going to be amazed at what you get. Okay, so let me show you what it generates for me based on what I used as my topic, and you can do so with whatever topic you may have in mind.
Look through the outline it generates, make sure that everything is in order, select the right parameters, pick a theme and hit generate. And within seconds, you're going to get polished outputs like this, depending on what you used as your topic in the prompt.
So prompt number 2 is a client-ready pitch deck. This is for freelancers and agencies who want to pitch their services to their potential customers. You can generate this as a presentation, and you can also generate it as a web page if you want to share the link with your potential clients. And for this video, I'm going to use presentation style or presentation format. So here's the prompt. Create a professional pitch deck for a type of service in bracket. All right. Include problem, solution, services offered, pricing structure, why choose us, and call to action. Keep it clear and persuasive. Okay, this powerful prompt is powerful if you offer social media management, AI consulting, things like video editing, or even web design. Gamma structures it beautifully without design stress, and you'll be amazed at the results. So type this prompt and generate. Prompt number 3 is an ebook or lead magnet creator. You can use it to monetize your ideas or monetize your knowledge. Because this one is an ebook, we're going to generate it using the document format. The prompt says, Create a beginner-friendly ebook outline on a particular topic in brackets. So you replace that with a topic of your choice. Break it into clear sections. Use simple language. Add examples and actionable steps. Make it suitable as a downloadable PDF. This is how you create a digital product, like you create it quickly. You can turn one YouTube video into a lead magnet. Okay, so remember that this is exactly how smart creators build assets, and you can start doing that yourself. So enter this prompt and generate.
Make sure you select all the required parameters as is suitable for the ebook you are generating. Then go ahead and generate it. And you will get polished results like this in seconds.
Prompt number 4 is a YouTube video script structure. It helps you in content planning.
We're going to generate this using the document format.
The prompt says, create a structured YouTube video outline on a particular topic in bracket. You put a topic of your choice. Include hook, introduction, main teaching points, examples, and call to action. Keep it engaging and easy to follow. This saves you time when you're planning your videos, for instance, and instead of staring at a blank page, you don't know what to do or you don't know where to start, you're confused, you are lacking ideas, just enter this prompt and Gamma gives you a structure instantly. Okay, so enter the prompt and generate.
And you're going to get something like this.
So prompt number 5 is an authority building educational guide. It is most useful for personal branding. This prompt works well for workshops. You can use it for training sessions. You can use it for LinkedIn content. You can use it for even mini courses as well. For authority building content like workshops, I recommend using the presentation format because it feels more professional and well structured. But for this video, I'm going to use the document format. The prompt says, create an in-depth educational presentation in a particular topic in bracket. Make it informative, structured, and professional. Use bullet points and short explanations. Include real-world applications. So you paste the prompt and you select the parameters you want to use to generate it and you hit generate. I'm going to leave all these prompts in the description for this video, so you're going to find them there, and you use the ones you want to use depending on what you want to create. And I expect you to create something very reasonable and meaningful. And for any prompt you want to use, I will advise you to keep your language as simple as possible and always make your paragraphs short so that you will increase your readability. And here are some common mistakes you need to avoid. Number 1, just try and edit whatever you think is sounding like AI. Don't just copy and paste. Try and edit some things. Then number 2, you add your personality. However you want it to sound, just add it. Then number 3, add examples, if any, depending on what you are trying to generate. Okay, because AI is going to help you build a kind of structure, and it is on you to add the authority you want to it. Make it sound like you, make it sound human.
And your final results will look like this.
So if you want more powerful AI prompts like this, go ahead and comment prompts below. And if you haven't watched my gamma.app tutorial for beginners yet, go ahead and watch it now.
And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI tools and content creation strategies. See you in my next video.